Where history and hidden value come alive today, we are not just looking at American treasures, but also at an Australian masterpiece, the 1984 $1 coin, a coin that tells a powerful story of design heritage and collecting passion. Stay tuned, because what you learn today may completely change the way you see this iconic piece of money. The year 1984 marked an important turning point in Australian numismatic history when the Australian government decided to introduce a brand new circulating coin that would replace the $1 paper note the $1 banknote had been circulating since the decimal currency transition in 1966, when Australia moved from pounds, shillings, and pence to dollars and cents. The Reserve Bank of Australia and the Royal Australian Mint recognized that paper notes had a shorter lifespan. They wore out quickly in circulation, especially the lower denominations. So the idea was to introduce a $1 coin that would last longer, be more efficient for everyday transactions, and carry a design that represented Australian culture and national identity. The new $1 coin was officially released into circulation in 1984, and it immediately stood out for its design metal content and the historical context that surrounded its introduction. The coin was struck in an alloy known as aluminum bronze, which is composed of 92% copper, 6% aluminum, and 2% nickel. This alloy gave the coin a distinctive golden color, setting it apart from other Australian circulating coins. Of the time, it measured 25 millimeters in diameter and weighed 9 grams, making it larger and heavier than the smaller denomination coins. This choice of metal and size was not accidental. The Mint wanted to create a durable coin that also carried symbolic weight in the pockets of everyday Australians. One of the most defining features of the 1984 $1 coin was its reverse design, created by Stuart Devlin. The official goldsmith and jeweler to the Queen Devlin was a master of coin design, having worked on many of the Australian decimal coins. His concept for the $1 coin centered on the kangaroo, an animal synonymous with Australia and deeply embedded in its cultural identity. Devlin chose to portray a mob of 5 kangaroos leaping together, symbolizing movement, vitality, and the natural environment of Australia. The kangaroo design was bold, striking, and instantly recognizable, ensuring that this coin would carry national symbolism wherever it traveled. The obverse of the coin featured the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, as was customary on Australian coins. This portrait was designed by Arnold Marchand, whose sculpted depiction of the Queen had already been widely adopted on Commonwealth coinage since the late 1960s. The combination of Devlin's dynamic kangaroo design on the reverse and Marchand's dignified royal portrait on the obverse created a balance of national heritage and Commonwealth tradition. The launch of the 1984 Australian $1 coin was not just about replacing the paper note. It was also part of a broader movement in Australia to strengthen the use of coins in daily life and to modernize the currency system. Millions of coins were minted that year to ensure a smooth transition from notes to coins, and by the end of 1984, the new dollar coin had already become a familiar part of Australian wallets, purses, and cash registers. The durability of the coin compared to the fragile paper note proved its value as intended. The average lifespan of a coin was estimated to be at least 20 years, while a paper note could wear out in only 18 months. Collectors quickly began to take notice of the 1984 $1 coin because it was the first year of issue. First-year coins always hold special significance in numismatic history because they represent the beginning of a series and often become highly collectible over time. Although the 1984 issue was struck in large quantities, it remains a cornerstone for any Australian coin collection, especially when found in pristine, uncirculated condition. Coin grading organizations recognize that high-grade examples with sharp details and original luster can command significant premiums among collectors. The coin also opened the door for many commemorative issues. In later years, the $1 coin became a canvas for Australian history, wildlife, culture, and achievements. In fact, since 1984, the $1 coin has hosted dozens of commemorative designs celebrating everything from the International Year of Peace to anniversaries of federation and notable figures. The 1984 release was the foundation that made all of those future designs possible. When we consider the global context of 1984, it becomes clear that Australia was aligning itself with international trends many countries were moving away from: low-denomination banknotes and adopting coins for durability and efficiency. Canada introduced a $1 coin only a few years later in 1987, known as the loonie. The United States also discussed replacing the $1 note, though it took until 2000 to seriously introduce the Sacagawea dollar coin. The Australian move in 1984 therefore placed it ahead of the curve in currency innovation. From an economic perspective, the 1984 $1 coin represented significant cost savings for the government. Producing paper notes was more expensive in the long term because they had to be replaced so frequently, while minting coins required more upfront investment, but delivered decades of usage. This economic reasoning made the transition both logical and financially responsible, ensuring that taxpayers ultimately benefited from the change. As the decades passed, the 1984 $1 coin continued to circulate widely, but many of the earliest coins suffered wear and tear as expected. Finding well-preserved examples became more challenging as years went by. This naturally increased collector interest and value. Numismatists often search for coins with minimal wear, crisp details on the kangaroo design, and strong definition on the Queen's portrait. Such examples can be valued much higher than their face value, especially in certified mint state conditions. The 1984 $1 coin also carries historical resonance because it was part of a cultural shift for Australians who had grown accustomed to carrying paper $1 notes for nearly 2 decades. The change to a coin required adaptation, but eventually it became second nature. And today it is hard to imagine Australian currency without the iconic gold-toned dollar coin. This coin became iconic the moment it was struck because of its design. The reverse, created by Stuart Devlin, showed a group of kangaroos moving in unison, leaping with energy and vitality, a scene that captured the spirit of Australia like no other design before it, and the obverse carried the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, a reminder of tradition and the Commonwealth connection. Together, these two sides told a story of progress, heritage, and identity. At the same time, this coin was minted in aluminum bronze, giving it that beautiful golden color that made it stand out in pockets and purses all across the country. It was not silver, it was not copper. It was something in between, a perfect blend, chosen to represent strength and endurance. And today, when you hold one, you are not just holding a coin, you are holding a piece of cultural transformation. Collectors know that first-year issues matter more than almost anything else. In numismatics, the 1984 $1 coin is the foundation of the Australian dollar coin series, a starting point that opened the door to decades of commemorative issues, special releases, and designs that tell stories of peace, federation, wildlife, and history. Every collector who builds an Australian collection begins with the 1984 issue, because without it, nothing else in the series would exist. This is why it holds a special place not just in the pockets of people who spent it, but in the cabinets of numismatists around the world. Now imagine what this coin has seen since 1984. It has passed through millions of hands. It has been exchanged in markets, shops, restaurants, and banks. It has been tucked into savings jars, given as change to children, and dropped into charity boxes. It has endured wear, scratches, and circulation, yet the coins that survive in pristine condition, untouched by time, are now treasures highly sought after by collectors and investors. These coins are carefully preserved, graded, and valued far beyond their face, because rarity, condition, and history combine to create something far more powerful than money. And that is why today we are diving deep into the story of the 1984 Australian $1 coin. Because to understand this coin is to understand the way a nation moves forward, the way it preserves identity, and the way collectors around the world continue to search for meaning and value in the smallest yet most powerful symbols of history. Stay with me because what you will learn about this coin will not only surprise you, it will change the way you see every coin that passes through your hands.